Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Guys, it's Seafood Sunday. Seafood Sunday. Oh my God, guys. Don't forget to tap, okay? And tap again the like, share, and subscribe button, guys, okay? And that notification bell, okay? I'm in a good mood today, guys. Listen. Oh, look, I can't even talk, guys. I can't even talk. We have shrimps, guys. My mother made this. Guys, listen, she killed it. I haven't tasted it, but I've been going crazy in this house, smelling the food, you know, all morning. All right? But listen, these vegetables right here, guys, are Caribbean vegetables like yuca. We have malanga. Okay, we have two different types of malangas. We have the purple one and we have the white one. Okay, we have yuca, we have sweet potato, and we have avocado. We have the shrimps. Oh my God, we have my hot sauce because my mother doesn't cook spicy and I love spicy, so I'm gonna add my spice to it after I taste it. Okay, we have bubbling Poland Spring. I was gonna say bubbly. They don't sell bubbly in New York. I mean, I haven't seen it. Okay, Big Bertha, you ready? Wait. I always spill it, guys. Most of the time I do spill it, but not this time. Let this set aside. Let it cool down, guys. I'm in a good mood, guys. Okay, I'm doing amazing. Let me know how you guys are doing. All right. I hope you guys are doing amazing. All right, guys. Keep your mind positive, guys. Okay. Continue to work on your goals. All right. Love yourself enough never to put yourself in harm's way, guys. Okay. Don't let anything or anyone take you out of character, guys. Look, I cut my finger cutting the skin off the yuca. That skin is so hard, and I usually do it like this, and today I went like this, and when I went like that, I took the nail, the whole tip of my finger off, and then it didn't hurt. Okay, my mother said, come on, we gotta disinfect it. She put salt on that, and you heard me downstairs on the first floor. Okay, let me taste it first, guys. Let's taste this. But look how beautiful these shrimps are, guys. Wait. I have to show you this. This is crazy. They're huge. Oh! I'm not exaggerating, guys. Oh my, ma! ¡Te botaste! ¡Que te botaste! Oh my God, mommy.
To me?
Yeah.
You know, that's special.
This is
delivery.
Oh my God. Mommy. Oh my God. No, I bought it in the restaurant.
What restaurant?
Maria Vasquez restaurant. Okay? Oh, guys. Listen, I know I joke around all the time and I say that we need smell-o-vision and we need taste-o-vision, but I'm not joking. I'm dead serious. We do. We do. Oh my God. Oh my God. It has green peppers, red peppers. It has orange bell peppers. It has scallions. It has purple onions, cilantro. She killed it. Oh my God. It's Sunday, guys. It's Sunday, guys. And I've been in a rut since last Sunday. since I came from Connecticut, I was feeling a little sad, a little depressed, you know, which is normal as long as you don't stay, you know, in that state, you know. It's nothing wrong with it, guys, you know. Oh my God. Wow. Look at the people. Oh my God. I'm silly. Wow, man. Like if I bought it in a Spanish restaurant, I swear. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. Yo, my mother is ridiculous in that kitchen. And the shrimps, they're perfect. They're not overcooked. They're not undercooked. Oh my God. If I had the money to open up a restaurant for my mother, I would. I swear to God, I would. I'm telling you. I was supervising. She would cook. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy. Wow. Look at this. Oh my God. This is crazy. Oh my God. Wow. I'm eating all this. Oh my God. What a beautiful Sunday meal. Big Bertha, I'm choking. Ooh, I needed that. No. Oh my God, this is ridiculous. And room for more. Oh my God. This is crazy. Guys, so I'm gonna thank my new subscribers. Guys, in a week, I got like 11 subscribers out of nowhere. To me, that's a blessing. Oh, the avocado, everything together is insane. Huh. She don't play in this kitchen, my God. Oh. Wow. She killed it. She killed it. Oh my God. You know how much a plate like this would cost in the restaurant? Whoa. Whoa. Oh my God, I'm gonna get the itis. And the little sauce. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Damn. This is crazy. Oh. I'm full, guys. I'm full. This was crazy. Oh my God. I didn't put no hot sauce on it. Oh my God. I couldn't do it. I could not put hot sauce on it. Oh my God. Oh. I'm done. Oh. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy. This is insanity right here. Wow. Oh my God. Let's move this over. I didn't do a lot of talking today, like usual. You know, when I don't talk, and room for more. Hey, and room for more. When I don't talk, my brother calls me. He watches my videos and he calls me. He says, "You okay, sis?" You know, because I'm talkative, guys. I like talking. But anyway, guys, I want you to know that I love you. I love you so much, guys, from the bottom of my heart. Please believe that this is a new shirt that my daughter bought me before I left Connecticut last week. It says, best grandma ever. Best grandma ever. If you watched me all the way through, guys, kudos! Kudos to all of you. Kudos, kudos, kudos. And much blessings, okay? I'll see you next time. Don't forget to spread that positive vibe out into that universe, okay, guys? You know, when I'm in a good mood, you could tell, because I'm all wacky. But anyway, I love you guys, okay? And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.